jingle bells, jingle all the way.
And you're having fun. Why don't you show your friends?
Hello Littlesilver family, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to this video. For my subscriber, thank you so much. For the new viewers, please do consider to subscribe and support our community as well. So I invited you to my journey home and I got here and the living room needs some touch, and as you can see, a Christmas mood touch. So enjoy the video. I hope you subscribe, like, share, comment, and give me love. Just show me love. I'm doing the most. I think so. So yeah, the situation is that one at the moment. Well, we have this curtain right there, or we have this TV stand. We don't have a TV at home, and that's fine. And the window curtains right there, the rail is out. There's some things we need. Hopefully, I'm not sure, but my dad might bring it because he went to the market. But in case it doesn't, we are not perfect. We love imperfection, so let's do whatever we can at the moment. And join me. I'm going to get started now. Let's give the room some Christmas vibe, Christmas mood. Not much, just some a little arrangement. Well, I love arranging stuff. Like since I was young, I always got into my mom's house and I was always arranging. But these days, the only thing I've learned to do is to respect boundaries. Like I would request her what she would like to do. But the me long time would just find things placed elsewhere and remove it completely, but don't tell her actually there are some things I'm planning to throw away from the kitchen. Well, video for another day. Anyways, let's get the Christmas vibe. It's 24th. People are preparing to go for Kesha. Kesha is like a night out dancing in the church. So I'm not going just because I don't want to go.
Crawling around, searching for higher ground. Can't see in front of me, my enemies. I've tried every possibility, ability to know if I can bleed. If that's what you wanted, you won't get it tonight. 'Cause I can fly. I'm crawling around, searching for higher ground. Can't see in front of me, my enemies. I've tried every possibility, ability to know if I can bleed. If that's what you wanted, you won't get it tonight. 'Cause I can fly.
This job is tiring. Wow. I have some more. It's tiring, but I'm almost done. What is remaining is the stand situation. So we started this. Let us finish. Oh, I have these puzzles from a while back. They are going to be my Christmas plan. Can't wait to put them together.
I'm on my last straw. I'm broken and I'm woken up. I'm done feeding your lies. I've had enough. I can't run your place.
This is my flower from my Mount Kenya trip. It's called the Everlasting Flower and it's still strong. But I will get another flower situation. I'm not sure about the vase. I don't want to use that vase, but all is complete. So to just have a humble time doing my thing of the arrangement, I locked everyone else outside the house and said I needed peace, but someone was trying to peep me. Manta chao. This was my final flower situation, which technically there was no single correlation, but I just put them together. This was not my ideal vase, but I didn't have the energy to paint another vase, and I didn't have the proper container. So yay, the perfect imperfections. So yeah, it is a Christmas now.
Your lies, I've had enough. I can't run your place in this faulty game. And all the words you speak mean nothing more to me. 'Cause let's start over now. Rewind, and I won't let you go. I need you by my side.
So I think the room is a Christmassy at the moment, and I am tired. I'm tired, so I'll need to take a shower and rest up. It's evening and get on with the evening stuff. So thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and support my episodes. Anyways, happy holidays. Stay safe.